I'm Teresa Lee from Sumner Elementary. Today, we will be reviewing Investigation 1 of the FOSS Insects Unit. This investigation examines the life cycle of the mealworm. Consult Investigation 1 in your FOSS Insects binder. Another option is to use the Teacher's Guide online version at www.fossweb.com. You can activate the online version of most FOSS Teacher's Guides. Instructions to do this are on the Science Department page in SIS. Did you know that mealworms are not worms at all? They are in fact the larval stage of the darkling beetle. Student learning outcomes include observation over time, as well as describing the structural and behavioral changes students will observe with writing and drawing. The student learning outcomes can be found on the BPS Science Department Weebly at bpsscience.weebly.com. Okay, be honest. Did you remember to order your mealworms? If you did, great. If not, mealworms can be obtained from your local pet store. However, you should order your other live animals to ensure that you will be able to complete all investigations before you need to return the kit to the science department. The directions for setting up the vials for your mealworms are in your teacher's guide. Assemble the materials at a station for students. The push pins might be a safety hazard for some students, so be sure to monitor them carefully. Also, make sure you use very small pieces of apple, potato, or carrot. If the pieces are too large, the vials will become a moldy mess. They really do require a minimal amount of moisture. Students have the option of observing larvae through the vial or on a paper plate. If you allow students to observe on a paper plate, use what I like to call a taco fold to return the contents to the vial. Once your vials are set up, you observe the larva, pupa, and adult stages of the beetle. The diagrams and charts in the teacher's guide will help students with writing and drawing their observations. As the beetles become adults, move them to a larger container or beetle culture. They do not climb or fly much and prefer a relatively flat container. Continue to observe changes, including deaths and new eggs or larvae observed. You can keep this beetle culture going for the entire school year, or check with the science department about bringing them back to the Campbell Resource Center. Just don't return live beetles in the kit. Until next time.